In this video, we are going to see how to make rectangles from a square, different ratios of the length and breadth of rectangles. Take a square, fold it in half like a book fold, open it and cut it down the fold. You will get a rectangle in the ratio of 1:2. Take a square paper, fold it in half like a book fold, open it, take the right side, fold it to the center like a cupboard fold. Cut along the second fold. You will get two rectangles, 4:3 and 4:1. Take a square paper, fold it, make a book fold, open it, make a diagonal of the square, open it, make a diagonal of the rectangle. The point where the two diagonals meet, from there you will draw a line parallel to the other edge and cut it. You will get two rectangles in the ratio 3:2 and 3:1. Take a square, fold it into a triangle, open it, again fold it into a triangle, bring the outer edge to the diagonal, where the corner meets the diagonal. From that point, you will draw a line parallel to the edge and cut it. The leftover piece is A4.